Hi everyone, I hope you all enjoyed all the videos so far in the month of heart disease. And we don't say disease, we like to say getting a healthier heart, improving your overall health. But the heart is one of the main arteries that keeps us going, pumps over 1 billion times in a year span. And so we want you all to be very focused, very conscious about your heart and about having a healthier lifestyle. So week 4 is up next. Hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, welcome back into week 4 of February. I hope you all enjoyed the month of February, which is heart health, having a healthy heart, getting active, and staying in tune with yourself. This week, in our final week of February, we're going to do 3 exercises. We're going to do slow mountain climber taps. We're going to do mountain climber toe touches. And the last routine we will be doing is arm and leg raises. So let's get started. Our first one will be mountain climbers, slow mountain climbers. In mountain climbers, you'll just get in position. They call this a dogwood position in yoga. And we want to make sure that our palms are flat on the ground, our knees are stable. And we're just going to lift to a L shape. And you want to be as straight as possible. You don't want to have your butt too high or too low. It could cause a strain. We're just going to do slow mountain climbers. You may have seen me do these before, but don't be too alarmed if they're too easy or too hard. Doing a routine over again, it's not as stressful as it is doing it the first time. So next what we're going to be doing is mountain climber toe touches. We're going to get in that same mountain climber position, and we're just going to put our feet up like so in the L-shaped position. I'm going to come up and tap that toe. Those are a little bit more challenging, so for those who are beginners, you can omit that total exercise and just do mountain climbers. And our last exercise will be arm to leg raises. We're going to come down in the dog ride position again, and we're going to lift our opposite arm out and opposite leg and extend. We want to do this simultaneously. You want to hold this for about 1 to 2 seconds. And once you've completed with that, that is your next strength gravity core exercises that can help you to a better you and a heart healthy you as well. See you next time.